The closest available replacement to the Sea Sun Star MZ20450AB is the RWMZ20450AB. Every variation of this product has adapters for half-inch and quarter-inch tubing. The UL-listed transformer has a 3-prong connection that is equipped for indoor and outdoor use. Using a 2-prong connection with a nut, this transformer is weatherproof and is to be installed outside of your fountain. Your old transformer may look different, similar to the one pictured here, but it does the exact same job. There are many variations of this product to suit fountains with many needs: an LED ring, a round light, a tube light, 2 tube lights, 3 LED round lights, and a pump with an open female 2-prong connection so you can hook up your own lights. To find this product and many others, simply go to wholesalepumps.com and search MZ20450AB. If you can't find the product you're looking for, feel free to call, text, or email us here at wholesalepumps.com. We're always happy to help.